everybody doing today? Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Doing some maintenance in the rig. Thought I would do batteries and hit the hydraulics fluid. That is something that I never had to worry about before, was hydraulic fluid. The bounder here has hydraulic jacks. But check the water levels in the batteries. All was good. I checked them in the fall and they were good. I just added just a little bit more water to them just now. Sprayed them with the red protective spray. Keeps the corrosion down. And check the hydraulic fluid while it was here. It's tucked up away underneath the step here. It's hard to get this cover off. This cover goes here. But it looks good. There's no indicator on when it's full. I checked the sides. There's nothing that indicates that it's full. So I'm guessing it's okay. I just had this in last fall for some work and they had looked at it then, so it was okay. So I'm guessing everything's alright here. I'll keep an eye on it in the fall when I check it again. And if I need to take it in for any reason, we'll have the service techs just verify it with me. That way I can write it down and remember what the service is on it and where the full level indicator is. And maybe I'll just even mark it with a Sharpie so I know. But two batteries are in good shape here. I'm pleased with those. Also went out and I checked the main battery here. I pulled the covers off and they were filthy as all get out. So I sprayed them with some neutralizer. This one was all corroded. This was all corroded here. So hit it with neutralizer, which foams up, just like, you know what I mean? Let that sit for about 5 minutes, washed it down. So I'm waiting for this to dry. I'm going to hit it again. And then we'll hit this with a couple coats of that red spray. So what I'm using here is this battery cleaner acid detector, this Remove Plus. There's who makes it. Off Amazon, of course. And there's my battery terminal protector. This is the red spray. So a couple coats of that on there. So just doing a quick video here. Wanted to post some basic battery maintenance and hydraulic fluid maintenance. That's it for the day. Everything else looks good. I need to check the transmission fluid eventually. Get ready for a trip here. In 2 more weeks we're going on our first camping trip. So that'll be fun. Power steering. Well, while I'm here, let's just check it. What do we got? Let's take a look. And it looks like it's right above the line. Yep, right above the line. Where it says add, there's a line, and then it says full. We're right in the middle of full. So power steering fluid good. Just need to check my transmission. There's my oil, which I know is good. I just did that. Windshield washer fluid's good. Check. Alright guys, well, quick video. Thanks for stopping by.